Hey, hope you're having a great day. Today's video is all about business majors. I want to take you to my computer. I'm going to show you a handful of business majors that you can earn in as little as 6 months. So if you don't want to be in school for 4 years and you want a business major, like a business management degree or other business degrees, I'm going to show you which majors you need to enroll in, which schools you need to choose, and how you can do this in as little as 6 months. So if that sounds good, then let's dive in. Hi, I'm Ryan Swayt, and I used to be a 2-time college dropout, making just $12 an hour. Then I learned how to hack college and earned an entire bachelor's degree in 9 months flat. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll show you how. All right, so we're going to jump over to my computer. The first thing I'm going to tell you is it's important to remember you can get a college major in less than 6 months, but colleges and universities are businesses, so they don't want to show you how to do this, because if they teach you how to do this, they make less money from you. So I'm going to show you which schools actually allow you to do this, my personal favorites. But then afterward, I'm going to show you actually how to do it, because the school's not going to show you how. So if you want a college degree in as little as 6 months, I'll show you the schools and then I'll show you how to do it. So let's jump over to my computer, throw on my glasses so I can see a little bit better. And the first one I'm going to show you is called Western Governors University. It's one of my favorite schools for accelerating degrees because it's really affordable. It's regionally accredited. The faster you graduate, the less you pay. And almost all of their majors are self-paced. And that's what you're looking for, self-paced, instead of going at the school's pace. So if you go to their website, and I'll leave these links down below in the description, but you're just going to go to business, click on bachelor's degrees. And as you can see here, there's a series of majors: business administration, business management, business administration, human resource management. Human resource is actually a pretty good field to get into. Marketing, healthcare management, IT management, accounting, business management. These are good majors. Okay, so it depends on what field you want to go into. But I love this school. I love all these majors. So this is a very good place to start if you're looking for a self-paced degree. Okay, the next school I want to go into, I actually really like this school. It's called University of Massachusetts Global. Okay, what happened is the pandemic hit and a whole bunch of big name universities started working on online programs because all sorts of schools had to push online because the pandemic locked everything down. Well, what University of Massachusetts did, they just went and bought an online school called Brandman University, and they converted it into University of Massachusetts Online University, okay? So it's called UMass Global. It's really affordable, and they have some really good majors. Now, what I want to show you is you're going to click on academic programs. We're going to go to bachelor's degrees, okay? And if you want a master's degree, you can do this search the same, just click master's degrees. But we're going to scroll down here, and there's going to be some options, okay? You're going to select, we already selected bachelor's. You can toggle through and go through different categories you're interested in. We're just going to click all, but this is really important, okay? Because not all of their degrees are self-paced. So you can search online, hybrid, which are online or on campus, or a combination of both, or online self-paced. This is what you need to click on, okay? Otherwise, you might enroll in the wrong program, but you want to search for self-paced programs, okay? And they are called MyPath programs, okay? UMass Global, University of Massachusetts Global, their MyPath programs are self-paced, and you can earn college degrees in under a year, okay? Now, obviously, they're not going to teach you how to do that, but I can show you how to do that. You just got to make sure you choose these MyPath programs if that's what you're choosing. But they have a couple of business administration. They've got general business, and BBA stands for Bachelor's in Business Administration, or Bachelor's of Business Administration. They have GIS and data analytics. They've got information systems management. They've got management and organizational leadership. They've got marketing. Let's see what else they got. Supply chain management. Okay, then we're getting into non-business administration degrees. These are just Bachelor's of Science degrees. So they've got a pretty good variety of online self-paced programs for business degrees. So this is a school that I do really like, okay? Now, the next school, this one I really like as well, but it's University of Wisconsin. Basically, they established their own online self-paced degrees. They call it their Flex system, okay? But it's literally like the University of Wisconsin name, but you get to go at self-paced and you get to do it online, which is awesome, okay? Now, they only have a handful of programs, but if we go here, search on programs, and I'll leave this link down below, but it's just flex.wisconsin.edu, okay? Now, they only have one business degree, and it's a business administration degree, okay? And if we click here, you can see here that it's affiliated with the University of Wisconsin Parkside campus, okay? But you're going to do online. But it's like a really reputable school, okay? But you get to do it online, you get to do it self-paced, and it's cheaper as well. So this is one that I like. It's literally just a bachelor's of business administration, but it's from the University of Wisconsin, okay? And it's self-paced. Now, those are my personal top 3. I know everyone has different opinions, but I want to show you a couple of others that could potentially be a good fit. Another is called Purdue University Global. This program is just okay to me. I talk to a lot of students that accelerate degrees, and a lot of people have huge issues and headaches with working with Purdue University Global's staff. Okay, like I've talked to tons of different people that just have a hard time working with their staff. I don't know why. That's just the feedback I've personally gotten. But Purdue is a huge name, okay? It is a huge name. Now, another thing I don't like about the school is it's 100% online like these other programs, but it's quite a bit more expensive, okay? Now, I understand you're paying for the big name. I don't personally think the quality of education for these online programs is significantly higher than the other programs that I've shown you. It just costs more. So if you're willing to pay more for the name Purdue on your diploma, this could potentially be a good fit. But I'm going to go into degree programs. Now, not all of their programs are self-paced and accelerated. So this is really important. We're going to go to business here. Okay. And as you can see, business administration degrees, they've got them all listed here, but they've got Masters of Business Administration and Excel Track Masters of Business Administration, Bachelors of Science, Excel Track Bachelors of Science. These Excel Track programs are their self-paced programs. So that's what you're going to want to choose from. As far as business degrees, you're looking at accounting or business administration. Okay, but the Excel Track ones, that's what you want. Excel Track Bachelors of Science, we're going to click here, and this is the program that you're going to enroll in if that's what you're interested in, okay? As you can see, here's $2,500 every 10 weeks. Some of these other schools are like $3,000 every 6 months, which is a lot cheaper, okay? But I wanted to show you because a lot of people just like having a big name on their diploma, and Purdue is a really big name. Now, the next one I'm going to show you, it's not my personal favorite, but some people really like Capella. But Capella University does have some online programs. So we're going to go to degrees, bachelor's, business. Now, they're not all accelerated. So this is what I want to show you. For those of you interested in Capella, I want to make sure you're choosing the right program. But it's FlexPath, okay? These FlexPath programs are the ones that you can accelerate. Now, of course, they say here, FlexPath lets you finish a degree started with a bachelor's in business in 15 months for $15,000. Now, caveat here, I don't know if this is, they're telling you you have to have an associate's degree first or not, but that's what you're seeing here. 15 months, people can do it that fast, following the school's system, okay? Now, they don't teach you how to do it faster because they want more money from you. So I can teach you how to do it faster. That's why I'm doing this. That's why I started this channel, because I don't want you to fall into the grasp of whatever university you enroll in, and doing it their way takes you longer. So yeah, Capella, I like some of these other schools more, but some people do like Capella. These are bachelor's degrees in business that you can earn at your own pace, okay? Like I personally earned my bachelor's degree in 9 months. I've seen people do it in less than 6 months following the right system. Okay. You got to follow the right path. Now, if you want one of these degrees and you want to do it in months instead of years, and you want to save a whole bunch of money on tuition, there's a couple things you need to do. Okay. The biggest thing is you can't do it the school's way, because the school's way is going to take longer. They want to keep you enrolled as long as possible. So you need to follow a system that I call degree hacking. Okay. Hacking college and going at your own pace, paving your own path. Okay. I know it sounds hard. It's actually way easier than doing the school's way if you just know what to do. Okay. Now, essentially, in a nutshell, it's going to be studying for exams on your own and then taking exams. And when you pass and complete exams, you get to move on to the next class and you get credit for passing an exam. Okay. So that's kind of in a nutshell the system. I've got another video where I walk you through the whole system. It's a 3-step process that I call degree hacking. I'm going to leave a link to that down below in the description. So if you just open up the description, like if you're on your mobile phone, just tap on the video title and boom, it opens up the description. I'll leave a link right there in the description. I call it my degree hacking tutorial. Okay. And you can go watch that for free, no strings attached. Like, I want to show you the system so that you can hopefully graduate even faster than I did. I did it in 9 months. If you do it faster than that, that's a win. Like, I will celebrate that win with you. And the cool thing is you save a whole bunch of money. And if you find the right universities, okay, you can find universities that charge you for how much time it takes you to earn your degree instead of how many classes or credits you're taking. Okay. If you pay by time and then you finish a degree in 6 months, you're paying way, way less money. So it's just a lot more affordable. So like I said, I'll leave a link down below to that video where I walk through the whole process. Okay. Now, if you have questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. If you've liked this video and it's added value to your day, please tap the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell. That way you're notified every time I make another video like this where I'm showing you how to graduate faster and save a whole bunch of money on tuition. So yeah, hope this video has added value to your day. Hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you in the next video.